Have you ever touched a petal of a rose? Have you ever felt how soft they are? How velvety they feel? This is how your skin will feel after you use the rose water, the distilled rose water. Gentle, soft and nourished as a petal of a rose. Hello my lovely viewers, I'm IULI and I'm welcoming you on my channel. In today's video you are about to see a beauty secret that I'm about to share it with you, how I made my own distilled rose water using petals from roses. Yes, rose water is the season where all the roses are in full bloom. I love roses. In my gardens I have so many roses. I have all colors, almost all colors available. But not all of them are in full bloom now. My yellow roses are in full bloom. My pink roses, I have 3 types of pink roses. My white roses are in full bloom. My reds. You can use whatever color, whatever type of roses you have available. Now it's time to start the process how to make your own rose water. In order to extract your distilled rose water, you need distilled water. So I have in my house 2 water distillers from Mega Home, and I will use some of that water today. I have around 2 liters of water here because the big jar is a 4-liter jar. We drink a lot of distilled water. Yeah, that's another beauty tip. You need rose petals. Any type of rose petals will work. You need your distilled water. You need a cup that is heat resistant. You need a glass bowl that is again heat resistant. And you need your steaming pot. In the pot, first of all you put the petals, all the petals. You have to be very careful because roses have a lot of ants. If you find one of them, just take it outside where it belongs. Okay, little guy, it's time to go outside. Okay, I'm back. So we have the rose petal inside. We push them down a little bit. Oh, we have a spider as well. Just be very careful because roses have a lot of ants and spiders. Just be careful, take them outside. They don't belong in our rose water. Okay, come back, I'm going to take this little guy outside. Are you ready to go outside? Sorry, I didn't want to bother you, I just wanted to take the roses. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Now, let's see if anybody else is here. No. Clean. We push down the petals a little bit. And now it's time to add the water, the distilled water. You need to have distilled water if you want to have distilled rose water as well. I have 1 liter, I think. The roses has to be under the water. Push them down. And now it's time to add your cup. And your small bowl and the lid and turn the heat on. I will put it on high first and keep an eye on. Another option is to use the lid from your cake. Glass has to be glass. Add the glass bowl on top and then your improvised lid. These are the two methods. This is the most efficient one. This works amazing. This is the more efficient one because you don't have to stay next to you and just pour in the glass bowl. This one, it does do the job itself. You just collect it, and because it's inwards, it's facing inwards, it goes straight in the small glass bowl that I added inside. So with this method you will collect more clear rose water. There are so many different ways how I use my rose water. One of the biggest one is on my face in the morning. Yes, I spray my face with rose water in the morning. I will give you my best secret to all of you. My best beauty secret is that I don't wash my face in the morning. I know, woo, weird. Yes, I don't wash my face in the morning. I just simply don't. I wash it in the evening, I clean it. If you want, I will do a video separately to explain all the steps, yes. So, I spread my face with rose water in the morning, and then I apply a mix of oils that I made myself, and done. That's all I have today on my face. I don't wear foundations. The only makeup that I use is just some blush, powder blush and powder highlighter, and I made my eyes. I just shape a little bit my eyebrows, apply a little bit of color and mascara and something on my lips, and done. No foundation, no concealer, no fancy stuff. I got rid of everything. I don't like them anymore. So another way how I like to use it is to set up all the powders that I apply, as I said, the highlighter, the blush, or the powders that I have on my eyes. I do that, I spray it on my face before I apply my mascara. Mascara comes last. Yeah, another way how I like to use my rose water is during the day, just to refresh my face, to just feel fresh again and refresh. Another way is to spray it on my hair to refresh my curls pattern. If you are a curly girl or a man, you know that your curl pattern can be disturbed, and the next day or the third day you have to bring it back to shape, curly as we want it, yeah? So you have to spray it and wet it, that's the key word. You have to make it a little damp or wet a little bit, and that's how I like to use it. Another way is to use it in dishes. Desserts, some desserts require some drops of rose water. Yeah, so these are some of the ways how I like to use my rose water. Let me know in a comment down below, what are the ways you used for your rose water, how you use your rose water. I would love to find out more ways how to use the rose water. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video very interesting. Please subscribe. Please click the subscribe button and also the tiny little bell that is next to the subscribe button to be updated with my latest video. And believe me, you will not be disappointed. This is one way how you can show me some love and support to my channel. It takes a lot of time to record everything and put everything together, and then the editing, it is a lot of time consuming, and I do like to do that, but I would love to see more love from your side as well. And take care, stay safe, and until the next time, all the best. Bye bye.